What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this Instagram carousel in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the files, open the Photoshop file. Depending on your PC, it might take a moment to load. Once the Photoshop interface appears, you'll find a placeholder Instagram carousel ready for your customization. Navigate to the bottom right of the interface to access the Layers section. Here, you'll find each layer necessary to edit the components of the template. Open the folder labeled Text to reveal various layers corresponding to the text in the image. To edit the text, simply double-click on the desired text layer. The highlighted text indicates it's editable. Enter your preferred information. Repeat these steps for each layer, including graphics found in other folders like the logo and background. Make sure that you're importing a logo file with a transparent background, for example in PNG format. It might take a second to load, and then use the Ctrl and S shortcut to save your current file. Use Command and S on Mac. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily create an engaging Instagram carousel using Photoshop. It's a great way to showcase multiple images or messages in a single post. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Here, save the Instagram carousel file in JPEG format. Set the export settings to a high resolution, and then you can upload the images to Instagram from your PC or mobile device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.